হবে না আমার যেটা একটা তোমার টাকা না কিটা নেবে কি করবে নিজের এর দায়িত্ব আমার আপনার থাকবে তাহলে কেউ one more time, welcome back. Let me know that voice is clear. The first thing first, I would like to know first that voice is okay. Then I will talk more. Don't forget to give me the like. It's the most important thing. I need likes. I'm here again to disturb you. Very sorry for that. Let me know that voice is okay, okay? Before confirming the voice, I can't talk. I need the message. Nobody is replying me. I need the reply. Voice is okay or not? I mean, can you hear me? Yep, you should hear me. Audio is good. Thank you, Stephen. You are the guy, the only one who listen to me, who give me the most precise answer. Thank you, Hans. So you are the second one. I think I'm late. 32 second, yeah. 32-second late. Delay. Avi. Thank you, Avi. Thank you very much. So from where I should start? Should I talk about this? I think. Yeah, I think I should talk about this. Then I will come over here. I will talk more about the price. Thank you, Stephen. Thank you, brother. So, do you remember the thing? What did I tell you? I told you if price go above this high, right? I just let me mark the highs. This highs. Okay. So if price can go above this high, if there is a shallow run, you know what I mean by shallow run. A very little spike, then it will go down. Then I don't need to take this high or price came over here after 9:30. Okay, I told that. Don't forget. Now I told you if I see a very big run, then it will take the buy side liquidity, and this is the place where price should go. After that, market will come over here. Do you remember, guys? I mean, my first stream when I talked about this level. If you remember or not, I don't remember that things. So when price came here first time, will you look for an entry? Let me go to the 1 minute chart now. Okay, so here is 1 minute chart. I'm just going to clear the lower buy side liquidity. Okay, so this is the single high. It went above, it went lower. Are you guys expecting that market will go take the sell side liquidity? Are you very hurry to take your entry over here? I'm not, because this is before 9:30. This is the first reason for not taking any kind of entry over there, though it has taken the buy side liquidity. Actually, did it take the buy side liquidity? I don't think so. It has actually made the equal highs. I mean, relatively equal highs. Okay, look over here. This high and this high, they are now relatively equal highs. So when price came here at 9:30, this is 9:30. Let me just show you. This is 9:30 candle. Price started to go higher. Who was very hurry and was thinking, okay, no, market is not going to take this liquidity. It is going higher again. I mean, it will go high maybe somewhere here. Who was thinking like that way? Don't tell me lie. I know some of you are thinking that market will go up. Remember this two blue line? This is 15-minute parallel gap. Okay. So price actually came here for the next time. It has taken the buy side liquidity. It came here and then the setup is over there. Is there any market structure shift? I didn't see any market structure shift over here. No market structure shift. No, brother, there is a swing low. So that is your swing low and this is your market structure shift. Never, brother. It is not my market structure shift. Then why did you take this entry? Only because of this fair value gap? No, I didn't take that entry because of this fair value gap. I saw the breaker over here. I saw market actually respected from here. It came to this fair value gap. It went higher. Take the buy side liquidity. In the meantime, it has made the equal highs. It went lower again. Traded full fair value gap. Failed to take the sell side liquidity. See, the sell side liquidity is still, what to say, it's not taken over here. Okay, so it didn't take the sell side liquidity after 9:30 or at 9:30. The volatility, look at this volatility, but it failed to take the sell side liquidity. What does it mean? Every time it is going higher, this is the time for take sell. Wait for the sell entry. Where did it go? To the last fair value gap from 15-minute chart. But brother, it went higher, right? It went higher from the 15-minute fair value gap. Yeah, it went little bit higher. But if you go to the 15-minute chart, you will see all of these are weak. Actually, there is no body above this 15-minute fair value gap. And as this is very small fair value gap, I can't mark the consequent encroachment. I can't do that. So I actually take this thing. Okay, it tried to go higher. This all the fake breakout. It the very next candles they were inside the fair value gap. It has made the buy side liquidity. This run has taken the buy side liquidity, then very big displacement, but no market structure shift. There is my breaker. I already talked about this breaker. Price came here to the first time when it came inside the breaker. If you have already watched my upload, I mean I have uploaded the entry to my Twitter. So it came here. I will explain why I told you not to target this sell side liquidity. Okay, I will explain. Don't worry. And just let me clean this one because it has already taken the sell side liquidity. So this entry is not valid anymore. When it came to this parallel gap, there is a small parallel. Let me just remove this one for a time, for a little time. This candle high, this candle low. It came to this parallel gap, I took my entry. Market went lower, I marked the order block. You don't need to mark the order block, brother. It is not important. You can take your entry depending on this parallel gap. If you don't know what is order block, or there's some other YouTuber, they can actually tell you so many things about order block. Now it is going higher. Are you expecting that market will go high? I am not expecting that. I am expecting market will still go lower. This is all the, I mean, some kind of trap. People will think, the ICT trader, they will think, okay, it has taken the sell side liquidity, now this is my setup, it will go higher. I am not thinking like that way. I told you about this setup. If you remember or not, I don't know. Just let me mark. It will work? I don't know. I don't know, because I don't have the clean sell side liquidity lower. Okay, is this market structure shift valid? Yeah, it's kind of valid or unvalid, you can say. Very confusing. Okay, not valid, not unvalid, something like that. It didn't trade this parallel gap. Don't think it has traded this parallel gap. I don't think so it has traded this parallel gap. If market failed to take this sell side liquidity, I mean to take this sell side liquidity, I would be already in the entry, I mean in the trade. Okay, I would be there. As it has taken the sell side liquidity, I'm not interested to take this entry anymore. Maybe it will work, maybe it won't work, I don't know. As it has taken the sell side liquidity, I'm not interested to take a sell over here. Okay, that was the thinking over here. But you can see it has came to the almost to the consequent encroachment of the breakaway gap, and from this parallel gap we should take our entry. As I don't have any clean sell side liquidity, I'm not interested to take that, whatever. So when price came here in this order block, I added more. It came to the breaker. Look at over here, breaker consequent encroachment. I mean, let me mark the middle line. Okay, so it came to the consequent encroachment. I add more. Now what did I tell you? Please bro, don't target this sell side liquidity from 50-minute chart. Don't target that one. Why I did told you that things? Why did I tell you? Because look at this, how beautifully it came here. It went higher again. It has traded this 15-minute parallel gap perfectly. Then it went lower and take the sell side liquidity. I don't have that much patience to take an entry over here, put my stop loss over there for so long. So that is the reason I actually didn't see any equal lows over there. Nothing. I have just marked 30 or 25. 25 handle over here. I think here until here. Okay, just let me check how much was that. So my entry was to this parallel gap and here. So it's near about 30 handle. Okay, I took my partial. I put my stop loss above this parallel gap. If this parallel gap is still unfilled, then market will take this sell side liquidity. That is logic. That's why I put my stop loss above that parallel gap. Above that, if I am stopped out, I'm still happy. Because why I'm happy? I'm already profitable. I took a partial. Then I have already, saved some of my profit over there. So I'm still profitable. I don't care. If it can take the sell side liquidity, I'll be happy. If it is not, I'm still profitable. Okay. The real setup was over here. Very real setup was over here. The only reason I didn't take this entry, this was the perfect setup. You guys always you want the perfect setup. This is the perfect setup. Why didn't I take the entry? The reason is it has taken the sell side liquidity. That is the only reason. But if this candle didn't take the sell side liquidity, I am already inside the market. What did I mean by that? I would be take my entry like that way and over here. So that should be my entry. Why I'm not interested to take this entry right now? Because this sell side liquidity has taken. But brother, it's going lower. The setup is perfect. Why you are not interested? Only reason, I don't have the direction. You have to